Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Let's give a big hand.
Ka NPP hakasngi balang kala pedang burom ya UMLA barim ka Klik Riat constituency uba ne elang lengdo haka jing elang kapala long hasilong uba ne elang lengdo ulalong kum UMLA house nem arhajar lai bat arhajar pra na kaseng kongres bat uba julong teng kum menteri sorkar haba ai jingkren hakane ka jing elang usembut menteri rang ba ka jilla uba Prestone Tynsong Ulakam baki dang don bun ki weipat ki banwan ban penyaso syakaseng NPP. Henry Yamenta umpat kwa ban Ïathuh na Mario kabalat no.
Ka parti ki jongi kanang kiu na kawei ka benai sya kawei ka benai na kawei ka sngi sya kawei pat ka sngi. Kani kade ka ngatrai la ka bakla ka bangi penrung ya ki leaders ki bawan George parti kade ka meeting ka balai. Bat ngidang bun nang ne sya kemat. Ka ba ki babun ba ki banwan join Ngim Ïathuh kerteng Lypa matang Ïathuh la Blad no te kini kinong tok kubor kini alam mit ban yawat jintip baki ke ban Rung sapo ka parti ke jongi kawai ka thong ka bangibu hapo ka jengelam jong national president hapo ka jengelam jong Konrad Sangmau chief minister ka thong ka long ni kwa ban pen keladur ya ka jela mikla jongi baro kawai pilai I menta ka ji syakri jongi south nen tam kadon ke jingkela Gaji syak kenok ro kebabun. Anau korna sangmau nong tu nong lute. Prestone no balap mit katu lute. Ana balik klok plan ayo na hat na dukan na po surok. Re barok kita kidi tang kinia ki ba klemdon konong rip. Tengi na kaliang jok parti kat bakin nang kenok kat panang syak keren ben kata kanang ai mensim yani bangin tray ban syakri yagi paiba nga idon cikermen bahaya ka east Jantia Hills ba ka west Jantia Hills ba how arpolai manu balak bantip yok min repeat ya ke history kabangakan mausa aku tu kapuar ke UDP ke yok nyau na kan nyau nga traingi kan maulang ni kata ditongin ya bat ya kena ke history balasi mangiru ha unius nem banwan nila banpoi siya kata katong banpoi siya kata katong idon kampat ya ki plan bat kumju ya ki agenda ke bingin leci ki paiba ki agenda ke jongi nakaliang jong ka parti baladangi poi biang ha kabor kumnongin syakri ya ki paiba jong ke jela mekla jongi barokawai.
I, on behalf of the National People's Party, as your national president, I take this opportunity to once again welcome each and every one of you to the family of the National People's Party. We have seen so many leaders of the state who have been working in their capacity to take the state forward and work for their people and their constituency. We are seeing them today coming and joining the National People's Party in large numbers. And while we see that, we are humbled and we are grateful and thankful to God Almighty for the blessings that He is giving to each and every one of us and to the National People's Party. And we also, at this point in time, remember our founding leader, late P.S. Sangma, who has laid the principles for this party to move forward. And we, as the workers and leaders of the party, are continuing in those steps. And today is another very important milestone for us, where a very senior leader like Shri Nelang Lingdo, who has been an MLA twice, a person who has always worked for the grassroots, a leader who is very popular with his people, today has decided to join the National People's Party. It's a great reflection of the trust that these leaders and their people and their followers and their public today has on the National People's Party. I believe that they see the National People's Party as a party that will take the state forward, is taking the state forward, and will continue to take the state forward in the future also. In the last 4 years, we have been working tirelessly on many, many important issues that are important to the state. Issues that have been neglected for many years. Issues like the border issue. Issues like the coal mining issue, where mining was banned by the NJT and the past governments did not take any steps to go ahead and open it or lift the ban and go for scientific mining. But today, not only has the ban been lifted, we are very close to even starting the scientific mining. Today I was replying in the House. Today in the House I was replying and telling the people, telling this House, that we have 17 applicants who have filed for prospecting license, and they've been given the prospecting license, and now the exploration is going on. And I'm very sure that at the pace at which things are moving, may not be all the 17 in one go, but we will see that few of these will be able to get their mining lease and also get their mining plan approved and be able to start scientific mining in the state in a very, very short period of time. It was a big challenge for us, but we are committed to the people of the state. Yes, we have faced challenges and difficulties, but we have always kept our spirits high. We've always ensured that we always keep the interest of the people of our state in front of us. We've always ensured that we listen to people, whether it's political leaders, whether it's the public, whether it's civil society. This government and the party has been somebody and the organization that has always believed in listening to the people, and that is the reason why today so many people are coming forward and supporting the National People's Party and strengthening the party so that we can come out victorious in the next election. And I'm sure that by the kind of support that we're getting from each and every one of you, the National People's Party, the NPP, will come out victorious in the coming election, and we will get more than 30 seats in this coming election in 2023 is what I'm very, very sure about.